Welcome to our Partners for Possibility Teams team, and I just want to run basically now through the basics of the team. First of all, here on the left hand side, this bar here, the activity button that will list all the discussions that are being posted in the channels that you are involved in. More specific messages sent to you are here in the chats. Here you can see all the different chats. There's a message from a guy called the vet. Then over here is the calendar as well. The calendar are basically there to list all your meetings, and it is syncing with your, there you can see the meeting that I have with Josh coming Monday, and the week after that you will see there's the training. It's syncing with Outlook, and it is also syncing with all the various Zoom meetings that you sometimes have. All you have to do is just click on that specific meeting, and you will have the link directly to the Zoom meeting. Going back to the Teams tab here on the left hand side, it will open the Teams. Currently it is in the post mode, which means it's just like WhatsApp or any other post that you will do. You just have to click in there and start typing your message, and you can edit the text, format your text. You can also attach a file or something to it. It also have certain emoticons like all the social media things, and then it's got animated GIFs, which can be quite fun sometimes. Then over here is a streaming function if you need to stream videos. I am not going to send this message right now, so I'm just going to delete that now, that it is not there anymore. Then here at the top, right hand top, that is your profile. It opens your profile and you can change information there. Then right here is a meet button. If you click on that, you can either click on meet now, and that will take you directly into a meeting itself, or you can just go and click there and schedule a meeting, which will take you to a way that you can schedule meetings in the team or in other teams as well. Then of the rest here at the top, there's the post. This is the team, is the Partners for Possibility team, but the tab is the general channel. We can create other channels if we want to. Next to post is files. Now the files are all the documents that is stored in Teams, and everybody that's a member of this team have access to these documents, and you can also make any changes to the documents itself, and I will talk a little bit more about that later. This navigation here at the top is a Word document that will tell you what documents are in which folders. Notice I'm opening the Word document right here in Teams, which means I can work in this document right here in Teams itself. The most important at the moment is this progress plan, and the progress plan is looking at the process of developing a plan, the process of implementing a plan, and more. Now, just notice it's saying there's some unsupported features. There are some links in this document which it cannot support really over here. Then there's a project sheet which I tried to insert and it didn't work as well as I wanted to. The tabs at the bottom, there's a beautiful timeline of how we're going through the various phases of the planning and when will we be finished with which phase. And then right here is the most important part with all the action steps and the action plans attached to it. I will discuss this document in far more detail in another video. So that's it. Let us teams together. If you need more help, I'll send you more videos which not I made, but which are on the internet. Goodbye.